Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp nachos from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a bag of your favorite tortilla chips, and plenty of shredded cheese. Don't forget your preferred toppings like sliced jalapenos, fresh cilantro, and a zesty sauce to elevate the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the shrimp. Start by peeling and deveining about 1 pound of fresh shrimp. This step ensures a better texture and flavor. Next, season the shrimp generously with a blend of chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium heat, then sauté the seasoned shrimp for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them. With your shrimp perfectly cooked, it's time to assemble these amazing nachos. Grab a large baking sheet and spread a generous single layer of tortilla chips across it. This forms the delicious base. Next, sprinkle about half of your cooked shrimp evenly over the chips, followed by a good amount of shredded cheese. Repeat these layers, ensuring every chip gets some love. This layering technique guarantees a cheesy, shrimpy bite every time. Finally, let's get these nachos baked to perfection. Place your assembled baking sheet into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, and the chips are slightly crisp. Once out of the oven, garnish your shrimp nachos with your favorite fresh toppings like cilantro, jalapenos, or a dollop of sour cream. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.